Alright, welcome back to day 6 and 7 of making a macro pad. Yeah, sorry I haven't streamed in like forever. It's been like a week. I know, I got sick this week and my stream schedule's really spotty. It's like almost every other week that I don't stream at this point. And also haven't uploaded a single video in like 3 weeks, almost a month. My bad. Just that after, yeah, so day 5 I made that video. And then after day 6, what happened was that I got really busy because this is near the end of the school year. So all the teachers trying to do the final assignments, you know, final tests. It's also right before state testing too. We have state testing next week, right? That's gonna be pretty busy then. And so then after day 7, same thing, you know, a lot of busyness, right? Plus I was sick for like a long time. I'm still a little sick right now, as you can probably tell by my voice. But yeah, it is what it is, so let's go ahead and get started with the recap of day 6 and 7. Right, I feel like it's easier to kind of merge these together as well, because not much happened this time as well. So, what we went ahead and did, right, because we designed the new ESP32, okay? We had that was on day 5. But on day 6, what we did, on the case, I was talking to, I think it's Astro Lemonade, if I'm not mistaken, in my Discord server, right? I'll go ahead and put it up, like, somewhere here, and they were telling me to use FreeCAD, and we had a good talk, you know, about like CAD and all that kind of stuff, right? I ended up sticking with Blender because this is what I'm comfortable with. Also, I kind of want to show that Blender can also be used as a tool to, you know, make projects like this, right? So I ended up sticking with Blender. Also, kind of render this too, and I'm really comfortable with Blender, so yeah. So we did that. We used this model. I'll put that in the description as well, right? And I'll put who wrote it up here. Oh, this way for you guys, yeah, up there. And yeah, so that was day 6. And day 7, we went ahead and we found some new headers. Okay, so what we ended up doing, oh yeah, is I had a reference image. If I can find it somewhere. I had a reference image oh, that's not it. That's not it either. Okay. No idea where it went, but there was a reference image, right, from like the Amazon listing. And so based off of that, we were able to fairly accurately design the headers and the sockets, right? So yeah, these are some decent, like fairly accurate images. So yeah, we have these now, right? And with them also they are, you know, nicely textured, obviously. Let's load up a little bit. Why is it not? The skybox is right here. What happened? Yes, we tried the skybox before. What? Well, this is not a good sign. Huh. This doesn't seem very fun. Let's try it. Okay then. I don't like this. Does the sun work? Can I put a sun? Like, okay, so something's messed up with my computer. Anyways, I'll fix that later. So these are nicely textured, by the way, nicely metal, you know, texture. And we did the wiring, finally. Also, it looks kind of aesthetic, not gonna lie, because we use curves. I love it. I love this. It looks amazing. So using curves, we got some nice looking wires, right? And these are based off of the actual pins that we will be using, right? So these 4 signal pins will go to those exact locations, right? and then the same ground wire will be coming out from this pin, right? And we'll go across all of it, right? And then we will like kind of scratch off and solder on each point, right? To like, instead of like having multiple wires, just be one wire going straight through. So yeah, how long have I been talking for? 5 minutes. Okay, cool. Let's wrap this up. But yeah, that's roughly about what we did. And yeah, cool. So day 8 hopefully doesn't get cancelled this Sunday. So day 8 this Sunday. Yeah. Ooh, and there are also some really interesting videos coming up, right? So 50 star special, I've been working on that for a really long time. And so I've been working on that, and I had one idea, but then I had an even better idea. So it involves someone else, so I need confirmation from them first, right? So I just sent the email today actually. So we'll get back from there, we'll see what happens, right? And there also might be another cool video coming out soon. Not sure. I'll find out by like the end of tomorrow, and it definitely won't be posted by the end of tomorrow, but like I'll find out. And yeah, so that's about it, and I guess I'll see you guys on Sunday then. Bye.